In this video, we are going to go over how to find the equation of a line in point-slope form that contains 2 points. This is a very classic kind of problem. Some people use just slope-intercept form for this, other people use point-slope form, and some people use both. That would be me. So I'm going to show you how to rock this problem, and then eventually how to convert point-slope form into slope-intercept form. We'll do that on the second bit of this problem. And if you haven't got enough with this one, I'm going to show you one more example on the other side of the video. So it's going to be a nice packed video. Let's do it. So find the equation of the line in PS point-slope form that contains -1, 5, 2. Graphically, what you're doing here, I just want to show that out, is you've got a point -1, 1, and the point 5, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, up 2. And we want to find the equation of that line right there. And eventually, you're going to be able to do that in slope-intercept form as well. And we're going to do that towards the end here. So to find the equation of a line in point-slope form, we have y minus y1 equals m times x minus x1, right? That is the equation of the line that we seek to create. So we have 2 points. We need a slope. Well, we know how to find slope, right? Let's just do m equals y2 minus y1 over x2 minus x1. So just use this as your recipe and generate what you need to find from it. So we'll find slope. I'm going to go 2 minus 1 up top there over 5 minus a -1. Nice. And that's going to give us 1 over 6, right? 5 minus a -1 is 6. So now we have our slope. Now, it's up to you to pick one of the 2 points. And I've drawn this out to show you it does not matter which point you pick. If you pick 5, 2, you're still going to rise 1 and run 6, the slope. If you pick -1, 1, you're still going to rise 1 and run 6. That's a tongue twister, rise 1, run 6. Anyway, I'm going to pick -1, 1. You could pick 5, 2, it doesn't matter. So I've got y minus, there's y1, that's the point on the curve. 1 is equal to our slope of 1/6 times x minus -1. Okay, so we'll simplify this down. Y minus 1 is equal to 1/6 times x plus 1. That's it, peeps. All we have to do is identify what the slope is, because that's going to tell us how to rise and run, and insert one of the 2 points, because they're both on the line, it doesn't matter which one you choose, into our equation. Now, on the flip side of the video, I'm going to show you how to do this problem and then eventually convert that problem, the answer, into slope-intercept form. So if you're ever asked to do that, you'll want to stay tuned and see the other side of the video. For now, this is how you find the point-slope form of the equation of a line given 2 points. Sweet. And here we are on the flip side of the video, where I'm going to go over how to use point-slope form to find the equation of the line in slope-intercept form that passes through 2, -7 and 6, 5. So let's check it out. There is another way of conducting this, well, way of getting to our answer. You can check out my videos in slope-intercept form for finding the equation of a line through 2 points, but I think point-slope form is a cool way too. So let's dig in. So we know that y minus y1 equals m times x minus x1 is point-slope form. It's a good tool to use here because we're given 2 points and we can easily find the slope with this equation. So let's find the slope. We've got m is equal to 5 minus a -7 all over 6 minus 2. That's just following the slope formula as we know how. 5 minus -7 is 12 over 4, and 12 divided by 4 is 3. So there's our slope. So I plug that into the point-slope form. Y minus y1, Well, it doesn't really matter which point we choose. As we've seen before, both points are on the line, so I'm going to choose 6, 5, because there's no negative numbers. So y minus 5 is equal to the slope 3 times x minus 6. Nice. So now that we're in this, well, state, we figured out the point-slope form for the equation of the line. Now where we want to go is to slope-intercept form. So I write out that template, that's y equals mx plus b, and we'll get there. So how do we get to y equals mx plus b? Well, we have to solve for y. We want y alone, right? So to get y alone, I'm going to first distribute the 3 to everything on the right-hand side. So that's going to be 3x minus 18. Nice. Then I'm going to add 5 to get y alone. So I add 5 to both sides of the equation, and you're left with y equals 3x minus 13. So let's see where these points are on the graph just to make sure that this makes sense. 2, negative 7 is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 down here. Let me make that nice and bold for you to see that. And then 6, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Up. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Oh yeah. If we draw that line there, we see that it's going to keep going down. It's probably going to intercept the y-axis somewhere down there. Off the screen, mind you, at negative 13. So this makes a lot of sense. And our slope surely is up. Let's see. Well, 1, 2, 3 over 1. Nice. So point slope form is another tool for finding the equation of a line. It's great for when you have 2 points, you need a slope, and then converting into the slope-intercept form is as easy as solving for y, getting y alone. Go rock some.